Jyotsna Venkatesh and I am Mrs. South India MIBQ contestant in 2014 and I'm here today as a fitness instructor and we've been, I'm coming on behalf of JJ Fitness and Grooming Expert and we have our center at Bangalore. So we train Zumba and yoga together and today we did a little bit of Zumba. The Zumba is all about body movement, dance and fitness. So it was a lot of fun training these contestants and post that we did a little more fitness round to get the right person to be the misfit of MIBQ. So meantime we'll also talk with my partner Jatin Soni, so who was a part of this event today and how we judged our next contestants out here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jatin Soni and I'm a yoga master and I want to give thanks to Beat Kaur. She called us here as a fitness experts and in fitness we are seeing full body strengthening, flexibility and stamina. So we gave them this kind of workout only and we choose the contestant who have all these things together.
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Kanika Modi and I am runner-up Mrs. India Beauty Queen 2014. So today we all have come here to conduct the fitness round for 2017 Mrs. India Beauty Contest. So it's a lovely weather as you all can see. We called all our girls early in the morning at 6 o'clock and I'm really amazed that all of them could make it. So we have been doing Zumba since morning, then we did yoga and now the fitness round is going on. We'll keep eliminating girls one at a time and gradually whosoever can stand up the fitness will be the winner for today's fitness round. I hope you enjoy it.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं निशा हूँ और हम 4 दिन से लगातार मेहनत कर रहे हैं कि हम ये प्रतियोगिता के अंदर जीतने का पूरा प्रयास करें। उसके अंदर हमने बहुत ही ट्रेनिंग, ग्रूमिंग, योगा, एक्सरसाइज और जुम्बा किया और आज के दिन में सबसे बेहतरीन शुरुआत हुई जबकि जुम्बा से हुई और आज हमारा फिनाले भी है। तो जब शाम को फिनाले है उस वक्त आज जब सुबह हमने जुम्बा और योगा किया तो एकदम एनर्जी बूस्ट हो गई हमारी। लगता है जैसे कि आज सबसे बड़ा दिन है जीवन का और आज शाम को भगवान जाने क्या होने वाला है, लेकिन हम अपना 100% ज़रूर देंगे और हारना जीतना ये जीवन का एक भाग है। तो दोस्तों ये चलता रहेगा, कारवां है, चलता रहेगा। लेकिन ये जो मैरिड वुमन के लिए MIBQ ने इतनी सुंदर एक प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन करना ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि मैरिड वुमन आजकल बच्चों और पति में ही उलझी हुई है। तो हम सबकी शक्ति को बाहर लाने का जो प्रयास है वो भरपूर सराहनीय है। इसलिए मैं MIBQ पूर्ण टीम को आज सहृदय धन्यवाद करती हूँ और प्रे करती हूँ कि हम जैसी सारी औरत यहाँ आए और अपना 100% दे। धन्यवाद।
I am Manju Thavnani from Varanasi, here today for this event. The whole journey has been very dynamic. I came here with a passion and a purpose, but throughout the journey I had a vision that I can change the world. So with that vision in my head and a belief in my heart that I can change the world, today is the 4th day of the event, and today we wake up at 6:30 and we were supposed to collect here at 6:40. Then we did Zumba and little bit of fitness exercises and then a breathing exercises and yoga. Now we are here for running and all and different yoga and all. Now I am just out of that last night's tiredness and looking forward for the event. I am very much excited for and God is great. Let's see.
Oh, it's been a fantastic journey from day 1 to day 4, and we all are looking forward to the finale, and I'm sure the best will win. And even if they don't win, the people they're going to go back with very fond memories, and it's been really nice to be out here. We've learned a lot, and I think all of us have transformed into different personalities, what we were before. After marriage, we generally change. Sometimes we need to sacrifice, and this has really brought the best from us. I think we have bonded very well. All of us are from different states and cities, and we have learned about individual cities and states and the cultures, and it's not only just the fitness and the cultural thing which we've learned. We've even learned to be better human beings. We've learned how to face difficulties and to overcome our fear, and we've all become more confident, I guess, from when we've come here to day 1. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Gitanjali, and as you all can see, today is our day 4 in MIBQ, and all these 4 days have been amazing and excellent, very memorable, and we're so looking forward to the finale tonight. I think I take away very fond and cherished memories. I've made so many friends. All of us really gelled well, despite of being from different places, different fields of life. But the best part that we all shared was our togetherness, and all of us really bonded well.
Today we went through our fitness session. At first we've gone through our Zumba session. So it was super fun, super cool and super inspiring. And then we were made to, all 16 we were made to run, and then top 8 were selected, and out of them, out of best 5 were selected. So I was in best 5, and now let's hope the best wins. So really we had a good day, you know, a kick-ass start to our day. So thank you so much.
I am Anushri. We started our day with the Zumba and we enjoyed thoroughly. After that we had our fitness classes, and fitness for me is a stress buster. And I also start my day always with exercises. It just gives you end-to-end energy. We all 16 were loving it, and I was in the top 5 for the fitness round. And let's see who wins, and I wish all the best for the winner. Thank you so much.
Hey everyone, I'm Saloni Agrawal from Lucknow, and I'm living the most amazing time of my life here at MIBQ. Like from the day one, we are having we are doing different things, and it's all so wonderful. Day one, we had the audition round, and then we had the swimwear round, and then Maharani photo shoot. It was all so amazing and so lovely. There are many things that I'm doing for the first time here. And like I'm exploring myself more, I'm able to discover myself, and I'm having this like sense of fulfillment in myself, and I feel really wonderful here. And today is the 4th day, and we just had our fitness round. And fitness, I feel it's all about, it's just not a thing, like it's not about habit, it's a lifestyle. You gotta do, like you have to indulge it into your daily lifestyle. It's always 80% diet and 20% workout, and you should always follow that. Stay fit, stay lively, rock on.
Hi, this is Sonia Midha, and we are at day 4, the fitness round. Sorry.
One camera speech.
Hi, this is Sonia Midha. We are at the day 4, the fitness round. Since morning we have been refreshed with the Zumba classes, the yoga, and then the fitness round, wherein we all were in a competition. The first one was the running one, where I was the first. Then there was again a running competition out of the few. Then again there were the top 5 selected. Then the top 3 with a tough competition. Then there was the last one wherein I was top 2 with Saloni and me. And we had to do the prank posture. And of course the stamina is required. So stamina I did not give up, but yes, the posture went a little bit wrong maybe. So yes, I was second in the fitness round. But overall the event, the morning is so refreshed after the late night shoots, the practice and everything. Today evening we are all going to have a blast. So look forward to it. Thank you.